Hello kindergartners, today we're going to be working on lesson 10-3. This is on page 579. And today we're going to be making 17, 18, and 19. So Jada made 10 prizes for the school carnival. Then she makes 8 more. So we're going to try to figure out how many she uses in all. So we know she first made 10 prizes. And we can fill a 10 frame because a 10 frame, when a 10 frame is filled, that means there are 10. All right, so she started with 10. Jada made 10 prizes for the carnival. Then she makes 8 more. How many more counters should we put on here? 8. So let's add 8 counters. Uh-oh, I'm missing one of my counters. That's okay. I can just draw it in. So now we have 8 counters. So how many do we start with? How many is in our first group? 10. And how many is in our second group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. Now how many is that all together? 10 plus 8. We can count them. We know that there's 10 in here, so we can start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 counters in all. All right, we're going to be practicing 17, 18, and 19 today. All right, we're going to complete the equations to match the counters. So in this one, how many counters are in this 10 frame? It's full, so we know that there are 10. Now how many counters are in this 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many does that equal? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 all together. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. All right, let's try this one. How many counters are in this 10 frame? It's full, so we know that there are 10. Now, how many counters are in this 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 counters. Now, how many are there all together? We can start by counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 counters. If you need some time, pause the video. We're going to go on to this one. How many counters are in this 10 frame? It's full, so we know that there are 10. Then how many counters are in this 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. Now, how many are there all together? We can count them all together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 all together. Now for 4 and 5, we're going to be drawing the 10 frames. So the first number is 10. So that means we're going to fill this whole 10 frame. Now how many extra are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that equals 17. Remember, if you need to pause the video, you can always pause it. All right, let's do this one. We have our first 10, so we're gonna fill a 10 frame. Then we have some extra. How many extra? 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that equals 19 all together. All right, on this page, this is our independent practice. This means you are doing it by yourself. So for number 6, you're getting to 18. You're gonna break it apart so we get to 18. How many in this box and how many in this box? All right, and then for number 7, you are trying to get to 19. I want you to put the counters in the boxes and then write the numbers. For number 8, I want you to get to 17. That's our number that we're trying to get to, 17. How many counters? Write the numbers. Now on number 9, they flipped it so that the 19 is in the beginning. Like here we have our 17 at the end, our 19 is in the beginning. It's still the same. It's still the same. We do it the same way. So 19 equals 10 plus what? It's the same thing. They just boop, flipped it over. So you're going to fill out the counters and then write the number. Please post this page onto Seesaw.